up. Let me have a look at it. It's 2008, and I'm washing my clothes in the bathtub because I can't afford to spend $90 on a load of laundry. Nice little underwear right here. There's our t-shirts here. And that's about it. Are you still videotaping the apartment?
This is our sink that's currently under operation. Little guy just came because of course it's leaking. And this is our one pan we have in the entire apartment that we cook everything on. It boils water, cooks cookies. Our oven doesn't work, even though it looks like it should. You gotta light it, and we're kind of scared to do that. So everything is cooked on this one pan. We don't have any other pots. And that's pretty much our apartment. Here's our sofa bed. Yep. Okay. And that's the